Once you click the download button on our website, you may get a warning depending on your browser. Accept or bypass it and go to your Downloads folder. Start your installation by double-clicking on the CAD Sim installer file. You will then get a pop-up banner. Click on the More Info text and then click on the Run Anyway button. Read the license agreement and agree to it. Then click on the Install button, and finally click on the Finish button. The software will then display the main panel. Enter in the username and password assigned to you in the boxes shown. When you click the Submit button, the panel will close. Your username and password are now saved. Restart the software by double-clicking on the XDT icon. If you can't find it, refer to the Help section at the end of this video. You are now ready to select one of the classes you've signed up for. Click on Class, then select Class. For this example, we will select CATIA V5 Design Essentials. Click the Yes button to confirm it is the class we want to take. Note that the current class we are taking is always listed in the box shown. Also, we have a list of all the class modules for this class. Click on the Combined button, then select the first class in the list. You're now ready to start your training. When you finish each module with a score of at least 80%, the module will turn green in the list. If you are taking the training through a college or company, they will be notified that you have completed the class if all the modules are green. If the XDT CAD Simulator icon does not show up on your desktop, locate the exe file at the file path shown here, right-click on it and create a shortcut to your desktop.